Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today I want to quickly show you this spring twist I got done with this air from AliExpress. Yes, the whole point of this video actually is just to show the color, because I've done spring twist like countless times, but this is the first time I'm using a color this vibrant. It's ombre. It's so beautiful. I love this color. I'm like, God, I gotta make a video and show this. Like, pretty much, see, yep, this is my new look for the month of May, which is coming. Okay, May, yeah, happy new month in advance. So this is the air. The air came from AliExpress. It was really cheap, like really cheap. I'm sure, I mean, I think I saw stuff like this on Amazon too, but it's pretty much the same air. I'm just showing you, like, it's actually good quality too. Like, it compares favorably with the other brands of spring twist air we get from Amazon. I did use 3 bags. Yes, 3 bags. Each pack came with 30 pieces of hair. 3 bags, but I did not use all of 3 bags. I left 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Yeah, 4 pieces. So that's like used 2 old bags and 26 pieces from the 3rd bag. So it's just like it's pretty much 3 bags short of 4 pieces, and for each piece of air I got 2 twists. Like, I took 1 piece of air like this, 1 piece of air like this, split in 2, and I got 2 twists. 1, 2. There it is. The air, I did not extend the length because this is ombre and I really wanted to keep the ombre thing. If I had extended the length, I would have mixed up the color. But if you pay attention, the air really does flow. Like, it flows the way the color is intended to flow. Like, see. So that's it, spring twist air from AliExpress. So keep watching the video and thank you.